everyone, welcome to Hench Hardware channel. This is Kiki. In this video, we will show our drawer slide item number DB530. Like this. You can see it. This is our normal drawer slide. The width is 35 millimeters and the loading capacity is 100 kilograms. This is our other tab, the soft close tab. When you open it, it's very smooth and stable. The open has soft close function. This is our other tab with the lock. When you use the drawer slide, it has many heavy things. We can use the drawer and it can lock to keep the safety. The drawer slide length can be made of 300 to 1500 millimeters and the color can be thin colored and the black colored. All of the slide thickness is 2 millimeters. And anyway, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and welcome to comment in the comment section. Thank you.